Instituto Cervantes for a number of years. My Spanish has improved by quite a lot because when I started I was at the very basic level, and now I'm in the conversation superior. The courses are really good value for money, especially when there's a group. If you can work it out that the cost works out much cheaper than teaching with an individual lesson. The teachers are very, very efficient and well trained. Most of them are native speakers. And I think the main benefit of learning Spanish at Cervantes is that you make a lot of friends. You're learning with experienced and qualified teachers, and also there's a good benefit because the restaurant next door is Dimitri's, and it's a good place to go for lunch. So yeah, stop.